Is he okay?
Yeah.
Come say hello.
Yep.
Come say hello. Yeah, boy. Yeah, pretty boy. Yes, boy.
Where's the growth at, hon?
On his back, like kind of behind the tail, a little under. Come on, get back.
Yes, boy.
How much does he weigh? Did you weigh him?
No, I'm gonna do it right now. Come on, Bulle, get on. Get over here. Come on, get over here. Get on top.
75.
Maybe like, sit down. Sit. Stay con. Don't move. 83.4.
Heads up, boy. Boy, come to the vet, huh? Doesn't feel good?
Come on, get back.
Come on, you can say hello.
But
Okay.
get back. Come on. Settle down.
You can say hello. Just don't bite me.
No, he's not gonna bite.
He's not gonna bite. Not for one. You ready, big guy?
Come on.
Doc stepped out and he'll be here in a few minutes.
Okay, perfect. Easy, easy, easy. Come on, come on, come on.
Here you go, honey.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Come on, come on, get in. You're not going with her. Come on. Come on, get in.
Come here. I'll give you a hug. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come here.
Come on, Bulle. Come on.
Shirley's not done yet. No, she's not ready. I don't know who told you. The dog was infested with fleas. And it takes time to kill the fleas and get them off of her. She's in the bathtub now.
She was ready.
No, she's not ready.
Why are you coming?
I didn't tell you, honey.
No, don't come and put it on some of it.
I did not call you.
Don't put it on some of it. Still what you're doing. You could call me.
I know, but I wasn't here. Well, the dog's not ready. She's working on it now. I don't know how long. I don't know how long she's
Shh, get back.
right now.
Don't move.
Wrong way. This way.
You crying? No? Are you crying? What are you doing? What are you? Okay. Sit down. Sit down. Oh my God. Don't move.
She had a lot of things. You think you can get her to take that?
Stop on, don't move.
Does she like cream cheese or anything? Does she like her soft
Okay, come on, get down. Bulle, get down. Get down. Bulle.
You want that thing, right?
Come on, get down. Come on, get back here. Get over there, assisting. Stop. Wait. No, you're not coming on the chair. Go back. Go over there. You're not coming on the chair. Unicorn. No. No, get back. Stop.
Thank you very much. I'm trying to be funny right now. So yes, you may.
Yeah, so I don't come here for a while because 2 times that I went in Europe for a month, I go every summer. I live with my buddy, and he took him to his vet, and we had some issues because of that. So, but now we're back because I'm really worried though. He has like a growth. I think it's a tumor or something on his back right here, and I want to see what we can do about it.
Look. How you doing, Bulle? Huh? How you doing?
He calmed down when he saw you.
No, what's the matter, huh? Don't you remember me? We fixed your knees and stuff.
Yeah, that was the best thing we ever did.
We missed you.
He's gonna be 11 in December, but he acts like a 3 years old. You want me to put him up?
No. How long has he been like that?
I think we had it over there for a while, but I just didn't see it. And now, like a week ago, I kind of saw it and I touched it.
Yeah.
And once I touch it, I'm like, okay, that might be, that might be a tumor or something.
It is a tumor.
It is, right? That's been over there for a long time and it
How's
doesn't
he
grow.
pooping?
We have no issue so far. He poops good, he eats, he plays, he's very active. But I'm thinking that thing maybe is growing, and if we can take it out or something.
How old is he now?
He's gonna be 11 in December 2nd.
Alright. So, stand him up.
Come on, buddy, get up. Get up here. Come on, get up.
Stand up. There we go.
Come on. Get over there. Thank you. I think it's been there for a while, but lately it's kind of big and I can see it.
Yeah. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna stick a needle into it.
Yeah, I like that.
And we're gonna take a little sample from it, and I'm gonna send it to the lab.
Yep.
To see if they can give me an idea of what type of tumor it is.
Perfect.
And depending on that, we'll decide what we're going to do.
I like it. I was thinking we're gonna do that. That's why I'm here.
So,
No.
in the meantime, no, it's fine. You can,
Okay, you wanna get up? Come on, get up.
sit next to you. Where are you going?
He thinks it's a laptop. Come on, get up. And sit down. Sit down. And don't move. Stay over there. Sit down.
So he's been eating okay.
Yeah, everything is
okay.
fine. Honestly, like he acts like a 3 years old. That's how much energy he has.
Good.
Like I have to hold him down because he's like going crazy, jumping from the couch, like breaking all the bushes in the backyard. He's nuts, and we have no issue besides that I saw it and I touch it and I kind of figured out what it is and it bothers me.
Are you squeamish if I do it here?
You can do it. No, I'm fine.
Because what we'll do is we'll put him up on the table. I get everything.
I'm gonna put him up on you.
Or we can go to the back.
Anywhere you want. He won't bother you.
Yeah, no, I know. He's a great dog.
You can do whatever
He's
you
a great
want.
dog. I just need a little bit more. I got all the little girls here too.
No, I lift him up for you because he's really heavy. He's like 83 pounds.
All right, give me a couple minutes.
Take your time. When you're ready, I put him up and you can do whatever you need to do.
Stay here.
Bulle, stop. Don't move.
Okay, so I may have it tomorrow. I may have it Wednesday.
Perfect.
And we'll
Yeah, just let me know and
and
you
then
know.
we'll figure out how we're gonna deal with it.
I like that.
All right.
I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
The charges, something's in there twice.
How else am I gonna make money?
The girls did it.
You didn't record that, did you?
I can edit it. Don't worry about it. I will take that off. Come on, let's go, Bulle. Let's get time to pay.
Okay, Bullet.
Come on, come on. Come on, lay down. Sit down.
$2.96 on
Sit down. Bulle, sit down. Don't move. I'll give you my credit card.